Mas é de primeira, tá de primeira? Tá de primeira! Não, passa bom, pô. Pode vir.
Norwood now offers a low-cost, entry-level sawmill, the Frontier OS-27. With the Frontier OS-27, you can unlock the hidden value in your own trees, work with exotic species of wood, create unique dimensions, like veneer or super-wide planks and beams, and you can build the projects you've been dreaming about. 2 years of design went into this rugged little sawmill. The result? It's tough, versatile, and affordable. Take a look at the Frontier OS-27 in action, and you'll quickly see the possibilities. The OS-27 is a workhorse. It can handle logs up to 27 inches in diameter and mill boards and beams up to 22 inches wide. Standard, you can mill lumber 11 and a half feet long. Mill longer boards by simply adding available extensions. The Frontier is operated at ground level for easy loading of logs. Leveling feet are standard. 2 sets of long and short log posts are provided. For square timber, built-in backstops securely hold your timber in place, and cam dogs clamp down low. These features allow you to mill within 1 inch of the bed. The OS-27 shares many of the same features as the flagship Norwood sawmills, such as the patented self-locking saw head that eliminates tedious and time-consuming labor. Each complete turn of the handle provides precise 1-inch boards. The scale with built-in kerf allowance eliminates the guesswork. Simply set your height and saw. What could be easier? A lumber production scale to calculate your board production is also included. An additional depth of cut adjustment system is provided to help judge first cuts. Safety systems, such as an emergency stop, are built in. A rugged 13-horsepower Briggs engine muscles through softwood and hardwood logs alike. A blade lubrication system is standard to keep your blades pitch-free and cool. A single-action control simultaneously throttles up the engine and blade, same as the Norwood mills. Dual guide rollers support the blade through the cut and are fixed to suit the full capacity of the mill. Move the blade through the cut and feel your board smoothly and effortlessly coming off your mill. Norwood's patented dual-plated carriage frame maximizes strength during operation. Norwood's ball-bearing carriage wheels and track sweepers are standard. Precision laser-cut track ensures the carriage rolls smoothly through the cut. The many patented inventions are just some of the reason that Norwood and Norwood Frontier sawmills are so easy and enjoyable to use. By reducing countless repetitive operations, you get dramatically higher production. And consider the versatility. You can transport your Frontier sawmill from one site to the next. Equipped with the optional trailer package, the OS-27 tows easily behind your ATV, car, or truck. The trailer comes complete with subframe, adjustable support legs, and removable tow bar. Add the trailer system now, or get it later. Either way, your options are open. You can update your sawmill to be fully portable when the time is right for you. Shipped in knockdown form in a single crate, your Frontier sawmill can be quickly and inexpensively delivered virtually anywhere. This saves you hundreds of shipping dollars. The saw head is pre-assembled at the factory, And thanks to the fully illustrated manual, the rest can be put together in a single day. This short assembly time is a valuable learning process to help you fully understand your new sawmill and all of its functions. The Frontier OS 27 is your easy-to-use, easy-on-the-budget, full-size sawmill. Make large custom beams, saw wide planks, mill veneer, saw exactly what you want, when you want it, and how you want it. Now it's time to start milling and turn your dreams into a reality.